The best all-natural ways to stop snoring. Most people chose to help reduce their snoring naturally by making lifestyle modifications instead of purchasing anti-snoring products. What changes can you make that will actually help you stop snoring? 1. Sleep on your side. Making sure you sleep on your side is one of the simplest strategies to stop snoring. When you sleep on your back, your jaw recedes, your tongue slides back, and the weight on your neck compresses your upper airway, making you more prone to snore or develop sleep apnea. There are a few different ways to sleep on your side. Make good use of pillows. You can either buy special side sleeping pillows or support yourself up with regular pillows to keep from rolling onto your back. Make it difficult to sleep on your back. Many back-sleeping snorers use the trick of taping a tennis ball to the back of their pajamas to make sleeping on their backs uncomfortable and nearly impossible. Positional trainers. There are devices that detect when you're sleeping on your back and send a slight vibration to your subconscious mind, signaling that it's time to turn over. 2. Lose weight. One of the most effective treatments for snoring is weight loss. If you are overweight, just a few pounds can put you on the road to no longer snoring. According to studies, decreasing 10 to 15% of your body weight can reduce the severity of sleep apnea by half. Because neck fat immediately compresses your upper airway, weight has a big impact on snoring. Furthermore, belly fat pushes your diaphragm up, reducing your residual lung volume and putting your airway at risk of collapsing. Losing weight must be long-term. This means no dramatic measures, simply simple procedures that are easy to maintain. 3. Make sure your surroundings are clean. Dust and pollen can collect in your home, causing allergies, a plugged nose, and eventually snoring. Make sure your bedding is washed. Allergens are often trapped in soft textiles. Hot washes might help you get rid of snoring triggers if your allergies are extremely bad. Vacuum on a regular basis and thoroughly. Along with cleaning the easy-to-reach areas, remember to vacuum the areas that don't receive much traffic because pollen and dust thrive in these areas. Shower or bathe before going to bed, and keep the garments you take off in a quarantined area. Pollen is easily adhered to skin, hair, and clothing. Showering removes this from your body while also preparing you for a restful night's sleep. 4. Get rid of the bad habits. Snoring can be influenced by smoking, drinking alcohol, and, to a lesser amount, caffeine. Snoring can be triggered by smoking or living in a smoke-filled environment. This is because smoking can cause mucus production to increase and irritate the tissues in your nose and throat. Alcohol has a depressant effect. This means it increases the relaxation in your airways, adding to the already slack airways we all have while sleeping. It also disrupts your normal sleep patterns, making you feel tired the next day, all of which has an impact on your snoring. Caffeine acts as a stimulant. When consumed too close to bedtime, it disrupts normal sleep patterns and raises your level of activity, making you more prone to snoring. 5. Keep hydrated. Drinking too little water can aggravate snoring by irritating the tissues in your throat. Dehydration also thickens the mucus in your airways, making it more likely for the surfaces to cling together, producing obstruction and snoring, particularly if you sleep with your mouth open. 6. Maintain decent sleeping habits. Maintain a consistent bedtime routine. Aim for a total of 7 to 8 hours of sleep each night. Make sure your space is well lit. Before going to bed, take a shower or a bath. If sleep isn't forthcoming, don't force it. Because snoring is more complicated than many of us realize, one solution may not be enough to stop you from snoring. Combining well-matched remedies with good lifestyle modifications is frequently the most effective anti-snoring strategy. Links to products mentioned can be found in the description. Be sure to like and subscribe to get more videos like this one.